Are you experiencing your connection is unstable or on FaceTime during calls? This issue often arises due to poor or unstable internet connections, network glitches, or outdated software on your iPhone. Don't worry, this guide will provide 100% effective solutions to fix the issue and get your FaceTime calls running smoothly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Test and stabilize your internet connection. A weak or fluctuating internet connection is the most common reason for unstable FaceTime calls. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open a browser and visit fast.com to test your internet speed. If your internet speed is slow or unstable, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data and see which connection is better. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Restarting the FaceTime app can help resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button if available to access App Switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it completely. Open Settings, scroll down and tap FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off. Wait 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. Reopen FaceTime and test the call again. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh for FaceTime. Background App Refresh can help keep FaceTime running smoothly in the background. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down and ensure FaceTime is enabled for background refresh. Solution 4. Check and reset network settings. If your network settings are misconfigured, it could lead to unstable FaceTime connections. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them saved. After the iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data and try FaceTime again. Solution 5. Update your iPhone's software. An outdated iOS version can cause bugs and glitches with FaceTime. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that your connection is unstable issues on FaceTime. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.